Reduced calorie consumption might be one of the most difficult dietary modifications to accomplish. Many low-calorie foods might leave you hungry and unsatisfied in between meals. However, there are many nutritious foods that are both satisfying and low in calories. Here are 10 unexpectedly satisfying low-calorie dishes. 1. Oats. Oatmeal is a great complement to your everyday diet. They're not only low in calories, but also high in protein and fiber, which can help you feel fuller for longer. Nutritional value of oats. A 1/2 cup, 40-gram, portion of dried oats contains just 154 calories but contains 5 grams of protein and 4 grams of fiber, all of which can have an influence on your hunger and appetite. One research of 48 people found that eating oatmeal boosted feelings of fullness while decreasing appetite and calorie consumption at the next meal. Another small study found that when compared to a ready-to-eat breakfast cereal, instant and old-fashioned oatmeal significantly improved appetite control over a 4-hour period. 2. Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt is a high-protein food that may be included in a healthy diet. Nutritional value of Greek yogurt. Though the exact amounts vary depending on the type and taste, a 1 cup, 245-gram, serving of non-fat Greek yogurt has around 150 calories and 25 grams of protein. A research involving 20 women looked at how a non-fat Greek yogurt snack compares to higher-fat snacks like chocolate or crackers. Women who ate yogurt not only felt less hungry, but they also ate 100 less calories at supper than those who ate crackers or chocolate. In another study involving 15 women, high-protein Greek yogurt reduced appetite and increased feelings of fullness when compared to lower-protein snacks. 3. Soup. Nutritional value of soup. The nutritional composition of soup varies depending on the brand and kind, but a 1/2 cup portion of condensed chicken noodle soup from a can includes around 60 calories and 3 grams of protein. In fact, some studies shows that soups, even when made with the same components, may be more full than solid items. One 12-person research, for example, found that blended soup delayed stomach emptying and was more successful at increasing fullness than a solid meal or chunky soup. Another study involving 60 persons found that consuming soup before a meal reduced overall calorie intake at lunch by an astonishing 20%. Keep in mind that, while creamy soups and chowders are satisfying, they can also be heavy in calories. To cut calories and increase satiety, use a lighter broth or stock-based soup. 4. Berries. Berries, such as strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, and blackberries, are high in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, which can improve your health. Nutritional value of berries. 1 cup, 150 grams, of blueberries, for example, has just 86 calories yet 3.6 grams of fiber. Berries are particularly high in pectin, a kind of dietary fiber that has been demonstrated in human and animal studies to decrease stomach emptying and boost feelings of fullness. This may also aid in calorie reduction. According to one study, a 65-calorie afternoon snack of berries reduced calorie consumption later in the day more than a 65-calorie snack of gummy candies. 5. Eggs. Eggs are particularly nutrient-dense since they are low in calories but high in a variety of essential elements. Nutritional value of eggs. A single big egg has 72 calories, 6 grams of protein, and a variety of essential vitamins and minerals. According to research, eating eggs first thing in the morning might help you feel fuller longer. In a study of 30 adults, those who ate eggs for breakfast instead of a bagel felt more full and consumed 105 less calories later in the day. Other studies have found that eating a high-protein breakfast can minimize snacking, slow stomach emptying, and lower levels of ghrelin, the hunger hormone. 6. Chia seeds. Chia seeds, a true superfood, combine a lot of protein and fiber into a little quantity of calories. Nutritional value of chia seeds. Chia seeds include 138 calories, 4.7 grams of protein, and 9.8 grams of fiber every 1 ounce, 28-gram, serving. Chia seeds are high in soluble fiber, which absorbs fluids and expands in your stomach to enhance feelings of fullness. According to some studies, chia seeds may absorb 15 times their weight in water and move slowly through your digestive tract to keep you feeling full. 2 servings of chia seeds per day can help to control high-calorie cravings and reduce appetite. In one study, 24 individuals who drank yogurt with additional chia seeds reported less hunger, less desire for sweet foods, and increased feelings of fullness when compared to the control group. 7. Fish. Fish is high in protein and omega-3 fatty acids. Nutritional value of fish. A 3-ounce, 85-gram, meal of cod, for example, has 13 grams of protein and only 60 calories. According to several studies, increasing protein consumption can lower appetite and ghrelin levels, the hormone that drives hunger. Furthermore, fish protein may be particularly effective for lowering hunger and appetite. According to one study that compared the effects of beef, chicken, and fish protein on feelings of fullness, fish protein had the largest influence. While lean fish such as cod and halibut contain the fewest calories, higher-calorie fish such as salmon and mackerel include omega-3 fatty acids, which are essential for general health. 8. Cottage cheese. Cottage cheese is a good source of protein and a tasty snack. Nutritional value of cottage cheese. 1 cup, 226 grams, of low-fat cottage cheese has around 28 grams of protein and just 163 calories. Several studies show that boosting your protein intake through foods like cottage cheese will reduce your appetite and hunger levels. Some studies also shows that consuming protein might help you feel fuller for longer. Furthermore, one research of 30 healthy people found that cottage cheese and eggs had comparable effects on fullness. 9. Lean meat. Lean beef has been shown to effectively lower hunger and appetite between meals. Lean meats, such as chicken, turkey, and lean cuts of red meat, are low in calories but high in protein. Nutrition value of lean meat. 4 ounces, 113 grams, cooked chicken breast, for example, has around 163 calories and 32 grams of protein. According to research, eating too little protein may raise hunger and appetite, whilst eating enough protein may lower calorie intake and hunger levels. In one research, those who ate a high-protein supper with meat ate 13% less food by weight at dinner than those who ate a high-carb, vegetarian meal. 10. Legumes. Legumes, such as beans, peas, and lentils, can be quite satisfying due to their high protein and fiber content. Nutrition value of legumes. 1 cup, 198 grams, of cooked lentils has around 230 calories, 15.6 grams of fiber, and roughly 18 grams of protein. Several studies have found that legumes have a strong influence on hunger and appetite. In one research of 43 young people, a high-protein lunch with beans and peas enhanced feelings of fullness while decreasing appetite and hunger more than a high-protein dinner with veal and pig. Another study found that eating pulses, a kind of legume, made participants feel 31% fuller than eating heavy carb meals like pasta and bread. In conclusion, cutting calories does not need you to feel continually hungry or unsatisfied between meals. Eating a range of satisfying foods high in protein and fiber will help reduce cravings and hunger. These low-calorie meals, when combined with an active lifestyle and a well-rounded diet, can keep you satisfied throughout the day. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe on this channel.